Hello everyone, welcome back to Brainy Station. Struggling to juggle your full-time job with personal passions, hobbies, and perhaps even a side hustle? You're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets to finding time for everything, even with a demanding 9 to 5. Get ready to transform your routine and unlock new levels of productivity and fulfillment. Time, often perceived as an inexhaustible flow, is in fact our most finite and precious resource. Unlike money or energy, which can fluctuate and be replenished, time, once spent, is irrevocable. The first step in mastering time management, especially with a full-time job, is to shift our perception of time from an endless stream to a valuable commodity that needs to be invested wisely. To truly understand time as a resource, we must audit how we currently spend our days. Keeping a time log for a week can be eye-opening, revealing how much of our time is consumed by unproductive activities, unnecessary distractions, or tasks that don't align with our larger goals. This exercise isn't about self-reprimand, but about gaining clarity and making informed decisions moving forward. With this newfound awareness, the next step is to evaluate our commitments and activities based on their significance and alignment with our personal and professional objectives. This means learning to say no to requests and opportunities that don't serve our higher purpose or add value to our lives. It's about making strategic choices, ensuring that each hour spent contributes to our broader vision, whether that's career advancement, personal growth, or quality time with loved ones. Embracing time as a finite resource also involves understanding our natural rhythms and working in harmony with them. Recognizing when we are most productive can help us schedule demanding tasks during our peak energy periods, making the most of our time. By treating time with the respect it deserves, we set the foundation for a more intentional, fulfilled, and productive life. The vision board technique is a powerful tool for goal setting and motivation, particularly effective for those juggling a full-time job with personal aspirations. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams, a collage of images, words, and affirmations that depict the life you wish to lead and the achievements you aim to realize. Creating a vision board starts with deep reflection on what you truly desire in various aspects of your life, from career and education to health, relationships, and hobbies. This process requires you to look beyond immediate tasks and deadlines, focusing on broader, long-term objectives. By visualizing your goals, you make them more tangible and achievable, transforming abstract aspirations into concrete targets. Placing your vision board in a prominent location serves as a daily reminder of your goals, keeping them at the forefront of your mind, even amidst the bustle of a full-time job. It acts as a motivational tool, especially on days when energy wanes and tasks seem overwhelming. The vision board is not just a set of goals, but a reflection of the values and experiences you cherish, guiding your daily actions and decisions. Moreover, the act of updating and revisiting your vision board is an exercise in flexibility and growth. It allows you to adjust your goals as your circumstances and priorities evolve, ensuring that your time management strategies remain aligned with your personal development journey. The vision board technique is not just about achieving specific outcomes, but about crafting a lifestyle that resonates with your deepest aspirations and values. Moving beyond traditional prioritization methods, the Value Impact Matrix offers a nuanced approach to organizing tasks and commitments, especially vital for those balancing full-time employment with personal projects. This matrix helps categorize activities based on their value to your life and their impact on your goals, allowing for a more strategic allocation of your time. The Value Impact Matrix is divided into 4 quadrants: high value, high impact, high value, low impact, low value, high impact, and low value, low impact. Tasks that are both highly valuable and impactful take top priority, as they contribute significantly to your personal and professional fulfillment. These are the tasks that directly align with your vision board goals and warrant the majority of your energy and focus. Conversely, tasks that fall into the low-value, low-impact quadrant are prime candidates for elimination or delegation. These activities offer little in terms of personal satisfaction or progression toward your objectives, and can often be streamlined or removed from your schedule entirely. Employing the value impact matrix requires regular reflection and reassessment, ensuring that your efforts are consistently directed towards activities that enrich your life and advance your goals. This method not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that your time investment yields the maximum return in terms of personal growth and achievement. Time blocking is a technique that involves dedicating specific blocks of time to different tasks or activities, transforming a sprawling to-do list into a structured schedule. For individuals with a full-time job, mastering time blocking can be a game changer, enabling you to carve out dedicated periods for personal pursuits, side projects, and relaxation, alongside professional responsibilities. The key to effective time blocking lies in its granularity and realism. It's not about micromanaging every minute, but about creating a balanced and achievable plan for your day. Start by blocking out non-negotiables, such as work hours, commutes, and essential daily routines. Next, allocate blocks for high-priority tasks, ensuring they're placed during your peak productivity periods. Time blocking also advocates for scheduling leisure and downtime, acknowledging their importance in maintaining mental health and overall well-being. This holistic approach prevents burnout and ensures that your energy is optimally distributed throughout the day. Adapting to unforeseen changes and interruptions is an inherent part of time blocking. The technique's success lies in its flexibility. Blocks can be shifted and adjusted as needed, allowing you to respond to the day's demands without sacrificing your broader goals. Over time, time blocking fosters a disciplined yet adaptable mindset, crucial for achieving a harmonious balance between work and personal life. In the pursuit of time efficiency, particularly for those employed full-time, the significance of mindful breaks and energy management cannot be overstated. Incorporating deliberate pauses into your routine is not a luxury, but a necessity for sustaining productivity and creativity over the long term. Mindful breaks are intentional periods of rest that allow you to recharge, both mentally and physically. These aren't aimless distractions, but purposeful interludes designed to rejuvenate your focus and energy. Techniques such as meditation, brief walks, or engaging in a hobby can provide a much-needed respite from work, enabling you to return to tasks with renewed vigor. Understanding and respecting your body's natural energy cycles is also crucial. Each individual has unique periods of high and low energy throughout the day, influenced by biological rhythms. By aligning demanding tasks with your natural peaks and scheduling breaks or less intensive activities during troughs, you optimize your productivity without overextending yourself. Energy management extends beyond daily cycles. It encompasses a broader awareness of your physical and emotional well-being. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a nutritious diet are foundational to maintaining high energy levels and focus. Additionally, cultivating a positive mindset and managing stress through mindfulness practices can significantly enhance your resilience and capacity for work. In essence, mindful breaks and energy management are about honoring your limitations and leveraging your strengths, ensuring that your pursuit of goals, alongside a full-time job, is sustainable and fulfilling in the long term. In wrapping up, remember that mastering time management with a full-time job is about making intentional choices that align with your goals and values. The techniques we've discussed today are tools to help you carve out time for what truly matters. Experiment, find what works for you, and remember, the journey to effective time management is a personal one. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below, and let's continue to grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on living your best life every day.